Hey there, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thanks so much for coming to this next sound juggling video. Letters, don't worry about them, just block those out and process some sounds. And the way you can do that best is by hearing the sounds, seeing the sounds, touching the sounds with your hand in the air, and saying the sounds. So here we go. Here is the first one. This is E. D, e, n, d. In end, what if I change the n to over here? Then you would have n, e, d. So the first two sounds are playing switcheroo in this one. This one is you, k, t, you, k, t. In uked, what if I put the k here and the U here? Then you would have cute, cute. Here is a aft. In aft, what if I put the f here and the a here? Then you would have fate. Here is ask. In ask, what if I put the s here and the here? Then you would have sock. This next one is In amp, what if I put the here and the here? Then you would have map. Here is In what if I put the here and the here? Then you would have mop. Here is In what if I put the here and the here? Then you would have roik. Here is eased. In eased, what if I change the z over here and the e over here? Then you would have zed. Here is owled. In owled, what if I put the here and the ow here? Then you would have owd, loud. This one is ift. In ift, what if I put the f here and the I here? Then you would have fit. This one is ask. In ask, what if I put the s here and the here? Then you would have sack. This one is In imp, what if I put the here and the here? Then you would have mip. This next one is In ausp, what if I put the s here and the ow here? Then you would have soup. This next one is I, F. In ilf, what if I put the ul here and the I here? Then you would have ul, I, f, lith. This next one is a, p, t. A, p, t. In opt, what if I put the p here and the a here? Then you would have p, a, t, pot. This one is e, ul, f. E, ul, f. In eelf, what if I put the ul here and the e here? Then you would have ul, e, f, leaf. Here we have oo, ul, t. Oo, ul, t. In oult, what if I put the ul here and the oo here? Then you would have ul, oo, t, loot. This next one is a, n, d. A, n, d. In aind, what if I put the n here and the a here? Then you would have n, a, d, nade. This next one is act, act. In act, what if I put the k here and the a here? Then you would have k, a, t, cat. This next one is a, s, p. A, s, p. In osp, what if I put the s here and the a here? Then you would have s, a, p, sop. This next one is ow, st. Ow, st. In oust, what if I put the s here and the ow here? Then you would have ow, st, oust. This next one is e, f, t. E, f, t. In eft, what if I put the f here and the e here? Then you would have f, e, t, feet. Here is e, ul, f. E, ul, f. In elf, what if I put the ul here and the e here? Then you would have ul, e, f, leth. This next one is a, p. A, p. In what if I put the here and the here? Then you would have a, p, mup. This next one is a, d. A, d. In ond, what if I put the n here and the a here? Then you would have a, d, nod. Here is a, p, t. A, p, t. In aped, what if I put the p here and the a here? Then you would have p, a, t, pate. Thank you so much for coming to the sound juggling video. You're doing a fantastic job, and remember how brilliant you are. Have a fantastic day. Bye.